Yeah. Pulling up the two straight faded, vision's blurry, not sure how I made it. Underground but the view here's amazing. Long way from my parents' basement. I take the scenic route to the studio. Very large amounts of Don Julio. I can see them trying but they ain't like us. I guess that's your funeral. Sooner or later, everything burns. Nothing really matters, I stay unconcerned. I'm just cash grabbing in a room full of worms. Mad laughter echoes through the halls of the church. Cause and effect of the marijuana burnt. Smog in my neck like the Arizona dirt. Live and direct from the surface of the earth. I won't lie and repent, cause I know a word's worth. Absurd. Yeah. Blank pages, sitting in bedroom, smoke rotating. Revelation can never come too soon. Motherfucker blue moon, I'm impatient. But the days flying by, guess I'm getting what I wish for. Life's funny, ain't it? They waxing and waning. See, I was at E-Rose, couldn't take a B-roll pics. I'm sharper than the C-note is. I was in the mailroom, penning out the future in my head while I was sorting letters into bins. Don't know where I would be without my friends. Avi taught me camera ain't shit without a lens. Father taught me if you start something, better finish it. I taught myself how to say what I really meant. Yeah, it's been weeks where I can't get out of bed. Unless I was getting high, just undressed and unfed. But on the flip side, I might go nights without rest. I'll flip my mattress on the wall, cause temptation is a bitch. Almost lost my job, fell asleep in the break room. Boss said he understood and told me take the afternoon. I said thank you, then hit the stew, take two. Don't know where the future is, but hoping that it happens soon. Blank pages, sitting in bedroom, smoke rotating. Revelation can never come too soon. Motherfucker blue moon, I'm impatient. But the days flying by, guess I'm getting what I wish for. Life's funny, ain't it? They waxing and waning.